Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They call me Spumante the Great. Quick little introduction. You know what I mean? Up and coming YouTuber, trying to get paid like everybody else. You feel me? So go ahead. I need y'all to like, to share, subscribe, and most of all, view. Do you feel me? But on this video, man, I'm gonna prove to y'all that Nina Boy's pockets is touching. And what he claimed he getting paid, he ain't getting paid. Not in no motherfucking YouTube. You feel me? This nigga getting motherfucking down south minimum wage. He getting paid less than a nigga in Mississippi working in the motherfucking fields, boy. Sweating bullets and shit. You feel me? But let's go ahead and check it out now. You know what I mean? Gotta watch it to the end, man, to see what this nigga getting paid if y'all motherfuckers is curious. You feel me? Let's get it cracking.
You needed some money, bitch.
My check way bigger than him on YouTube.
How?
My
You
check,
ain't even got
hey,
one
I pull out my
follower,
Cash App. I make more money than him than he do on Instagram. That's on my heartbeat. I show the world, nigga. He can't pull
That's
out
on my
his
heartbeat. That's on my
No, let's do
heartbeat.
it together.
Nigga got a
Let's go. Let's do
Neapolitan
it together.
beard. What's wrong with this nigga, man?
Show how much money you made on YouTube.
Well, look, I just want y'all to know, once you get in the ring, hold on. Once you get in the ring, your pockets don't matter. You gotta, hey.
This nigga Fight Club photo look like he taking a shit.
Well, look, while they pull up
With that
Cash
tight ass
App,
welded on hat.
and
That
let
nigga
'em
take
know
that
we
hat
need-
off, nigga, some skin gonna come off with it.
Yeah, we only got 5 minutes, so hurry up and pull up the Cash Apps. No screenshots. We need
That
today's
nigga Bosco
date.
jeans so tight that that nigga fart they gonna rip.
Check was.
All right,
Pull it up, cuz.
all right. I seen Nina boys.
No screenshot.
No screenshots.
Bosco
We
look
need
like a
today's.
motherfucking Sharpay.
I've been spending money. Hold on.
All right.
Praying mantis built ass nigga.
We gotta get these questions out though, y'all. Nina Boy and
All right,
Bosco.
where you at with it?
We gotta
Bosco
get
look
these
like he got
questions
some
out.
greyhound in him. Like that nigga run quick to the motherfucker.
We gotta
don't he?
get these last questions out though.
Them dreads get airborne when that nigga take off.
right,
Nigga
well,
look like he
All
running
right.
Mach
All right,
10.
look. All right, look.
Listen. We gotta get
What
these.
you got? What you got?
We gotta get these last questions out, guys, fellas.
Go ahead, ask
I
your
fuck
question.
with my nigga Bosco though.
No. Look, my last check.
All right,
All right,
My last
next
check.
question.
My last check was
Next
six.
question. All right, look. Next question.
The bag don't
No, he
matter
don't.
in the ring.
No, he don't.
The money don't matter.
No, he
in the
don't.
ring.
All right,
Nina
Nina
boy
boy,
remind me of them
don't matter.
sneaky
My
ass
last check
niggas.
was so who won
They
that?
try to get close to you just to
No,
use
look.
you
I
or
saw what
try
I
to
spent,
manipulate
but
you.
I just
Pull it
put
out.
you
All right, look, we only
6,500.
One
got
of them
3
niggas
minutes. We
that
only got
kick it with the little homies and shit. You know what I mean? Just so, just because they gonna still think he cool. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody this nigga, ain't nobody in his age bracket gonna think he cool.
Questions, man. Y'all niggas gonna let us ask y'all the questions or what?
Google Ad.
All right.
And why this
Listen,
nigga
I
don't
need
want
y'all
to
to keep
tell
this
his
answer
age?
short.
You
Nigga,
gotta
that's
say
some
Google
shit
Ad.
bitches
I'ma
do.
ask you.
Nigga,
Google
why
Ad,
you-
it ain't
what you
for
hide
free.
your age for, nigga?
Yeah, game goes on, nigga. It ain't no myth for the nigga fit.
Nigga selling wolf tickets.
I was told a few hands out there selling the wolf tickets like they go, trying to be bold. So we hit a buy a few, cash them in, check a chin, cause hogs play to win. So if you're doing a lot of barking, can't walk that walk. Take 2 steps back and look at yourself before you ride up in that shop, nigga. 17 from a broken down hood with no dreams. The only thing I knew was to form a fat team on the hillside. Just a small part of the city. We're popping ass gangsters, flossing like nuts. I ain't rap, but what I speak is straight deal. I serve no wolf tickets, nigga, I will kill any motherfucker that step within my boundary. When you fuck with me, you fuck with my fat motherfuckers. Talk hard, but never hit the yard when they car get snapped.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, and motherfucking view. I'm out this bitch.